we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2019 Kawasaki Z650. This is the naked version of the Ninja 650 that Kawasaki's been making for quite some time. This one has about 1,300 miles and is offered for $64.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This was the most popular color when they made it in 19. We wish they kind of brought it back for 20. It's got the lime green trestle frame, which was super popular. This particular one has a fender eliminator kit on it and also some rear spools on the rear tire in case you want to put it up on a center stand. Bike's been gone through by our service department, got an oil change, safety check, a clean bill of health, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.